snow day adventure. Let's go play. Me, Mojo pie. Me, make a snow angel. They all put on their warm hats, gloves, scarves, and boots moot. They run outside laughing. Oscar throws a soft snowball at me. Mojo tries to catch snowflakes on his tongue. Nunu builds a giant snow elephant. Nunu builds a giant snow elephant. Snow is falling soft and light, covering the world in white. We jump and laugh, we run and slide. Snowy fun we can't hide. Snowmen building snowball fight. Snow angel shining bright. Red like apples and fire trucks, blue like skies and sippy cups, yellow's bright like the sunshine beam, green is grass and leafy green.
Pink is soft like bubble fun, purple grapes out in the sun, orange like juice and pumpkin pie. So many colors we can try.
Colors here and colors there, colors everywhere. Look around, what do you see? A world of color just for me. Got red, blue, yellow, green, pink and orange, purple too. Let's name all the colors we've seen. What's your favorite color too? Thanks for coloring the world with us. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Thanks for coloring the world with us. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for coloring the world with us. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Starts arcade. Robots, come on, let's play.
A is for alligator snapping with a smile. A is for antelope running a mile. A is for ant so tiny and small. And A is for aardvark who sings to us all. B is for apple, red and round. A is for avocado, soft and sound. A is for almond, crunchy delight. Let's learn with A from morning to night. A, ooh. A is for egg when we bake a pie. A is for airplane flying in the sky. A is for astronaut exploring space. And A is for adventure, our favorite place. B is for apple, red and round. Live for love. A is for awesome. A is for art. A is the letter that's just so smart. We love the A world. Now we must say see you in B. We're on our way. Ooh, ooh, ooh. A is for alligator snapping with a smile. A is for antelope running a mile. A is for ant so tiny and small. And A is for aardvark who sings to us all. B is for apple, red and round. Running round. A is for apple, red and round. Red and round. Red and round. A is for apple, red and round. And when we're round.
It's so cool how many words start with A. Like apple, alligator, and adventure. Let's keep going and explore the letter B together.
Grab your bag and hop in line. The school bus comes, it's learning time. Oscar ends are off today. We laugh, we learn, we run and play. stops, we wave and cheer. Our classroom fun is finally here. But first we play and stretch our feet, running on the track, feel the beat. I kick the ball and shout, let's go. Soccer makes my smile grow. Then I grab my tennis gear, hit the ball and hear them cheer. I bounce the ball, I dribble fast. Basketball is such a blast. Barkie chases, runs in place, he's our champion of the race. I bounce the ball, I dribble fast. Basketball is such a blast. Barkie chases, runs in place, he's our champion of the race. Teamwork, kindness, friends who care. Fun at school is everywhere. Win or lose, we laugh and try, and cheer each other as we fly. School is where we grow so strong. We learn, we play, we sing our song. From sports to snacks to books and rules, it's always fun at friendly school. So grab your bag and ride the bus. Come play and learn with all of us. Oscar and friends say school is cool. Let's meet again now, back to school.
The sun is shining up so high, bright and golden in the sky. We run, we laugh, we jump and play. Hooray, hooray, it's a sunny day. Oh, sunny day, smiling bright, come out and play. Sunny day, let's have fun the sunny way. Flowers bloom and butterflies fly, slide. Birds sing songs up in the sky. We splash, we twirl, we race around. Our sunny day is full of sound, of sound. Sunny days make gardens grow. Sunny days make our smiles show. Thank you, sun, for shining bright. You make our world a happy sight. Sunny day, smiling bright, come out and play. Sunny day, we love sunny days. Hooray, hooray. Sunlight helps plants grow. Sun keeps us warm and healthy. Playing outside is fun and important. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hooray.
We wake up bright and feeling good. It's time to eat our favorite food. Bananas bend and carrots crunch. Let's eat some fruit with every lunch. Yummy! Yum, 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 it's fruit time now. Let's munch and crunch and show you how. We jump and spin and wiggle too, 'cause healthy snacks are good for you. I swing and climb, then munch banana. My carrot helps me bark in Spanish. Guau, guau. Nunu watermelon makes me dance and twirl. Me, apples make me a super smart girl. Z strawberries give me the giggles and strength. Let's sing and play for a healthy day. Yum, yum, yum. rain is falling, splish, splash, splash. Oscar jumps with a giant splash. Mimi twirls and laughs out loud. Mojo swings from tree to cloud. Dance, dance, dance in the rain. Splash, splash, splash again and again. Smile, smile, smile all day. The rain is here, let's laugh and play. Rain makes flowers grow so bright. Fruits and trees are feeling right. Water fills the rivers wide. Little fish jump side to